Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have my weekly nail art tutorial video for you. For this week's Facebook group collab, theme is seashells, and of course because it's summer I absolutely love the theme itself and decided to again join into this week's collab through our Facebook group. So thank you so much Patty for organizing, and I do hope that you guys will enjoy this video. If you do, then please give me a thumbs up, and of course if you're new here or coming from the other channels that joined into today's collab, then welcome. I hope you will like what you see here, and if you do, then please hit the subscribe button before you leave. I would appreciate that a lot. Recently I received or purchased some plates from Nicole Diary, and they actually have the perfect plate, exactly what I wanted for today's manicure. And I also received this polish from MoonShine Mani for review purposes, and I found it as a perfect base for kind of like a sea ocean inspired manicure. So I do hope that you will like it, and I will of course link everything for you in the description box. You will find all the links to all the videos that are created for today's collab, so please go over to the other ladies who participated in today's collab and show them some love after you finish watching my video. I will also have the pictures at the end of the video, so definitely check those out as well. And I think that's all for my rambling, so keep watching the nail art tutorial portion. Thank you guys so much for being here today. Thank you so much for all your support, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.